Hi guys, it's June Penny and welcome back to my channel. And if you want to know how I make air fried Korean barbecued pork chops, delish, just keep watching. Okay, so the first thing you need obviously is pork chops, and I got these from Aldi. I say Aldi, you say Aldi, tomato, whatever. You need 2 pounds. This is a little bit over 2.5 pounds. We're going to use it anyway, or if you want you could take out 1 or 2 chops. I'm going to use it anyway. And yeah, so you need that. This is the bone in. It says let me see. Yeah, this has like a little bone like at the ends. It's not a full like bone-in pork chop, but you can use that as well. You need this. This is the key right here. This is the Grill Mates Korean barbecue marinade. This has delicious, I mean, I never even tried it, but from what I hear is that this is delicious. Here are the nutritional facts. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, I'm just going to show you. You need a bag because you need to marinate these pork chops either in a bag or a dish with a cover, something that you can use. You need a 1/4 cup of oil. I use extra virgin olive oil. You can use whatever oil you want. You need a serving spoon, and you're going to use your tablespoon to do 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons of water, which I have here. I have a cup. You can use a bowl to mix all the little ingredients, and I have a plastic spoon because the metal would be too loud. And of course you need your air fryer. And let me tell you something, guys, this air fryer is my life. This cuts my cooking time in like a quarter time, even less, and it cooks amazing. And this is the Simple Living air fryer. This is, I believe, a 6-quart. I use this all the time. It is amazing. I will have the link down below if you guys want to buy this. And yeah, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your Grill Mates Korean barbecue marinade. Open it up. I hope the lighting is not too bad in here. I'm going to put it in your cup or your glass. Okay. And you're going to take your 1/4 cup of oil. Set that aside. And you're going to take your 2 tablespoons of water. It doesn't say hot or cold, so I'm just using regular tap water. Okay. And I'm taking my plastic spoon, and I want to mix around well. See, it doesn't make any noise. Oh my gosh, I hate when people mix stuff with metal and like ceramics or glass. Oh, bothers me. Look at that. Let me smell it. Oh, it smells good. Just mix it around, Now, if you're doing keto, you want to definitely count the carbs. This has 2 tablespoons, has 2 grams of sugar, so just be aware of that. Yeah, so now this is all mixed. What we're gonna do, we're gonna take our pork chops. Oh yeah. Make sure your hands are clean. You can use gloves. I don't use gloves. And open up your bag like so. I got these from Aldi's too. So cheap there. I mean, really. But you know what I find? That the prices are... All right, I can't get it open. Look at this. Uh-oh. Oh, there it is. I did have it right the first time. Ha ha ha. Okay, so here we go. Where we go? I'm gonna go closer because I think this thing goes out of focus. Put your chops in. See, it has a little bit of a bone at the end. I love these. I cook these pork chops in my air fryer and they come out like butter, no joke. And they're cooked fully. And you know, a lot of people are like, oh, it has too much fat on it. This is what you want. All this marbling, all this fat is what makes these chops so much tastier. But what I noticed about Aldi is they put the leaner ones on top. And then when you get to the bottom, I mean, they're really fatty. But they come out, say, like this one's really fatty. Now you can cut, you can trim that if you want. Up to you. I'm keeping it in because Dennis likes all that. And you know what? Especially when you're on the keto diet, you're supposed to have high fat. So that's good. And this one looks really, really good. And I find that when you cook with any meat that has a bone in the meat, it cooks a lot. It cooks better. It's juicier. To me, it is. Okay, so make sure, again, give it the last whirl. That's it. Just pour in the bag. Now, it says that you can marinate this for 30 minutes, but I am going to be marinating for half the day. That's right. Try to take out as much air as you can. And then just close it up. And you're just going to squish this around until it's evenly coated. Make sure you don't poke a hole in it from the bone. I can feel the bone right there. So make sure that there's no hole in it. So continue to mush it around until it's completely coated, and then put it in the refrigerator for as long as you want to marinate. And then we'll come back and I'll show you how I make it with my air fryer. You know what I forgot? Oh my God, you guys. I don't even know how this is going to turn out now. We got to say, I forgot to add the vinegar. Oh my God, the one thing that probably gives it the most taste. I'm going to add it to this. I don't know how it's going to be. Oh man, now that the marinade is not, oh man. Okay, so now you guys know. See, Rachel Ray, I am not. All right. Oh man, can't believe it. I'm like, I feel like I forgot something. I mean, I know it was, let me just do it in here, right? Look, I'm picking up the water. Just do it in here. Okay. Wow. So now how is that going to taste? Maybe if I get some of the, oh man. Yeah, see, can't be on TV. June, stick to hair loss videos. Stick to hair loss videos. Oh man. Okay, we'll see what happens. That's it. But if you're doing this recipe, please don't forget to add the vinegar to the marinade. Oh man. All right, we have to really, really mix this up really good now. Oh man. Shoot. I'm sure it will taste good. Well, it will probably taste better because you know what? The greatest things were made from a mistake. All right, so it's nice and heated. And now we have the pork. We're going to put the pork cutlets in the air fryer right now. So here we're putting some pork into the air fryer. Yes. So that's it. We'll do 2 at a time. back in the air fryer. Do 380, do 15 minutes, and that's it. Just leave it. Okay, it is done, but we're going to see if it's really, really done. We might have to put it in for a minute or two. Oh, yum. Look at that. I think it is done. Let's put it on the plate. Look how delicious that looks. Wow. Looks so good. Let me know how it is, Liz.
Good, Mom.
Don't eat the salad, I'm taping you.
It's good. Oh.
Show the piece, show the piece. Right? Just like that. Okay. Yum.
Yum.
It's good? Mm-hmm. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see more air fryer videos, just leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.